Namaskara. Let's meet Venkateswaraji today and hear his story from himself. How did he start?
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ? ನಾನು ರಕ್ತದಾನ ಯಾವಾಗ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಸಣ್ಣ ವಯಸ್ಸಿಂದನೇ. ಆವಾಗ ಏನು ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ, ನಾನು ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತಿದ್ದಾಗ NCC ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಏನು ಅನ್ಕೊತಿದ್ದೆ, ಒಂದಿನ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ರಜಾ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಆ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ. ಬಟ್ ನೌ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ಇಂಟು ಎ ಪ್ಯಾಷನ್.
ಓಕೆ.
ಆವಾಗ ಹಾಬಿ ಥರ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಒಂಥರ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಮೋರ್ ಅಫೆಕ್ಷನೇಟ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಡೊನೇಷನ್ ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಮೈ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಹುಡ್, which today's generation is lacking. And I would like to inform the public of India, not only RSS or any organization, but throughout India, that blood is very much needed, and when needed you should donate. Donating in camps is also not bad, but regular you can donate. My idea is to educate the mass or the public of India as a whole, because whenever there is shortage of blood, I get message at least twice a week throughout any hospital, like KC General, ESI, Nimans. In Nimans only I have donated more than 34 times.
Very nice, very good.
Rashothan also I have donated 4-5 times. So 1 week back, Narayan Prabhu put the message. So come to the camp.
Come to the camp at Yalam.
Yeah. But what I would like to inform the youth, especially, because however educated they are, education about blood donation is, education and awareness about blood donation is very less. So people are afraid. They are willing to give, but they are afraid
Hesitant to come.
Hesitant because after blood donation, what might happen? Actually, I am educating the public about blood donation. Like after blood donation, what effects you will have.
Okay.
After blood donation, what happens is, generally for the first time when they donate, they will think we have donated and
Our duty is over.
our duty is over. But after blood donation, you have to take half an hour rest.
And after that you start moving. Before that, not.
Half an hour you should take rest. This I want to educate. And according to World Health Organization, they have proclaimed that after 18 years, up to the age of 60, if you donate blood regularly, that is gents 3 months and ladies every 6 months,
6 months.
they can donate, provided their hemoglobin and
Blood pressure levels are.
BP are normal.
Okay, sir.
So what they have told, advice.
Conclude in 2 lines from your side. What you want to give the message in 2 lines to the nation.
2 lines I cannot tell, because blood donation you can speak
Lots of things.
lots of things.
But you keep, as Venkateswaraji is telling, everybody should donate the blood. All
Because every 48 hours the blood which you donate,
again it will be reproduced.
it will be reproduced through your lunch, dinner, like that.
Okay.
However strong a person is, he will be having only 7 liters, and the blood you donate is only 350 to 450 ml. And according the technology has improved so much since 20 years that before they used to collect in bottles.
Okay. Nowadays we are having
Packet.
age packets which
Packets.
will not, so that is easy to conserve also.
And the advantage of the packet is
Ah.
it will not spill, and one donation you can donate, you can save 3 lives,
One packet is saving 3 lives.
Yeah.
Very nice.
except for major operations.
Major. But otherwise it is
Otherwise
okay
you
for
can
3 people also.
only 3 people, and now the technology has improved so much that for patients like dengue fever, you have to donate what we call SDP, which is totally different from this type,
That's a different.
where only white blood is taken, and the procedure is done through machine,
Okay.
what we call CNC machine. There they will set the machine and the rotation will be going on, and it will take 45 minutes.
So with the time which we have now, he has to also upload it. We'll conclude that everybody should come and donate blood every 3 months for all people. At least men can do it, every woman can do it every 6 months.
6 months.
Provided they have a right and healthy diet. Nowadays, if they are
And
not,
according to WHO, every person who donates regularly blood, he has, whenever a heart attack happens,
yeah.
what I am telling is, if he does not donate blood,
The chances of heart attack are more.
Okay.
So with
Of
that,
survival. If you get a heart attack, he will collapse if he has not donated.
okay,
And
so he
because
means to say if you donate blood, your chances
Because-
of survival post heart attack are more.
yes,
So with
and
that,
he cannot survive because your regular donor will have fresh blood.
fresh blood produced. Okay.
And in Kannada there is a proverb
Huh.
which you cannot explain in.
No, you can say it in Kannada.
ಕೆರೆಯ
We can
ನೀರನ್ನು
finish that. Huh.
ಕೆರೆಯ ನೀರನ್ನು ಕೆರೆಗೆ ಚೆಲ್ಲು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ,
Huh.
ಕೆರೆಯಲ್ಲಿರೋ ನೀರು ಅದು ಬದಲಾಗಬೇಕು. It should change.
Lake water.
If it is stagnant, mosquitoes will come.
Okay, so change is the only thing which is
Yeah.
continuously happening around the nature, and we should also keep
Yeah.
donating so that our
Thank you for
system-
giving me the idea.
Thank you for your time, sir, today.
No. It is my pleasure and my duty,
Thank you, sir.
which I am doing.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಸರ್.
Namaskar.